Welcome to Best Product. Today, we're diving into the Sunny Vibration Plate Exercise Machine, the best vibration plate exercise machine for full-body workouts. Stay tuned as we explore its features and benefits. Let's get started. Product features: variety of vibration and oscillation modes. Choose from 7 oscillation options and 4D vibration technology to tailor your workout. Whether aiming for fat burning, muscle strengthening, or recovery, the customizable settings cater to various fitness goals. Improves strength, circulation, and recovery. Beyond fat burning, this machine enhances energy expenditure, improves circulation, and boosts bone density. With 3 preset programs, it stimulates blood flow, relieves muscle soreness, and aids in faster recovery. Adjustable speed settings. Select from 30 different speed settings to match your fitness level. From beginners easing into vibration training to experienced users seeking more intensity, the wide range ensures a personalized workout experience. LED digital monitor. The intuitive LED display provides real-time metrics like calories burned, speed, and time. Quickly adjust modes and programs, streamlining your workout and keeping you informed throughout your session. Anti-slip foot surface. Safety is paramount. The anti-slip foot surface ensures stability during use, preventing slips or falls. This feature allows you to focus on your workout confidently, especially when engaging with vibration technology. Convenient remote control. Adjust settings effortlessly with the included remote control. Change speed and intensity without interrupting your workout. With 5 preset programs, selecting sessions that align with your fitness goals is hassle-free. Pros: comprehensive full-body workout. Customizable vibration and oscillation modes. Enhances strength, circulation, and recovery. Wide range of speed settings for all fitness levels. User-friendly LED digital monitor. Safe anti-slip foot surface. Convenient remote control with preset programs. Cons: may require space for setup. Not suitable for those sensitive to vibrations. Final thoughts. The Sunny Vibration Plate Exercise Machine stands out as a versatile and effective fitness tool. Its advanced features cater to various fitness levels and goals, making it a valuable addition to any home gym. Whether you're aiming for muscle toning, improved circulation, or faster recovery, this machine has you covered. Ready to elevate your fitness journey? Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more top-rated fitness equipment. Let's get started.